This video tutorial explains you one of the important portfolio evaluation measures. The Sharpe Index is a risk-adjusted portfolio performance evaluation measure that measures the risk premiums of the portfolio relative to the total amount of risk in the portfolio. Sharpe Index is calculated using an equation, that is return on portfolio minus risk-free rate divided by standard deviation of portfolio, that is a total risk. So first what we need to do is we need to calculate a return on portfolio. So for our example, I have taken NAVs, net asset values of a mutual fund. Here are the NAV values and we need to calculate the daily return. So daily return is return on portfolio equals to P0, that is current price, divided by PT minus 1, previous price, minus 1. So first we calculate return on daily returns. So daily returns equals to P0, that is today's price, divided by PT minus 1, that is the previous price, minus 1. So we have a value for daily return for first day. So simply drag this down to get the values for all the days. So these are daily returns. And what is that we need to do is, next is we need to calculate the average daily return. So for that, first of all, we should know what are the total number of observations. For that, we use built-in Excel equation count equals to count, and our data, select the data. So we have total 20 observations. And next is we need to calculate the average daily return. So these are the daily returns. So we need to calculate the average daily return by using Excel function average equals to average, select all observations. Now we got average daily return. Similarly, we need to calculate average daily standard deviation. For that, we use Excel function STDEV to calculate the standard deviation or a total risk equals to STDEV and select our data. So we got average daily standard deviation. And annual risk-free rate. Risk-free rate is the interest paid on savings account or interbank rate that we consider as a risk-free rate. In this case, we make an assumption that the risk-free rate is 6%. Next, in the Sharpe ratio, return on portfolio is average return on portfolio. So here we got it average daily return and total number of days. And so average return is calculated using equation average return equals to average daily return multiplied by number of trading days. So our average return is this equals to average daily return multiplied by number of trading days. So we got an average return for a period. So this is 1 month period. So for 1 month the average return is 5.49%. Similarly, we need to calculate the average standard deviation. Average standard deviation equals to average daily standard deviation multiplied by square root of number of trading days. So this equals to average daily standard deviation multiplied by square root. We use square root using Excel equation SQRT. Square root of n, number of trading days, is 20. So we got average standard deviation is 2.79%. Next, risk-free rate for a specific period. So here the risk-free rate is annual risk-free rate, whereas we need a risk-free rate for only 20 days. So this equals to annual risk-free rate multiplied by number of trading days divided by 360. So that means we are taking annual interest rate for only for 20 days. So we got annual interest rate. And finally we need to calculate the Sharpe index. So Sharpe index equals to return on portfolio minus risk-free rate divided by total risk of a portfolio, that is standard deviation. So this equals to return on portfolio minus equals to return on portfolio minus risk-free rate divided by total risk, that is standard deviation, and this gives us the Sharpe index of 1.89. The higher the Sharpe index, the better is the portfolio performance, and Sharpe indexes are used to compare two or more funds. So in our case the Sharpe index is 1.85.